Hello friends, it's me Urmila Agarwal. Our topic is information technology. Code is 402, and today is our in this class we will discuss about the word processing. What is the meaning of the word processing? Word processing is a most popular application in which we create any kind of the text document on the computer system. It is used as a handouts in the seminars, examination meeting, or we can use as files. Some kind of the resources requirements are here. In a hardware we used a multimedia computer system. In a software we are use word processing application. We are using here MS Office Word 2010. How can we open our MS Word? Click on start button, then go to the all program. Click on Microsoft Office, then another pop-up menu will be appear. Just click on the MS Office Word, which software you are installed in your computer system, that will be appear here. I am using here 2003. If you are using 2010, then it shows Microsoft Word Office Word 2010. Then how can we edit or save a document? After appearing your window of MS Word, you just type your document, edit your document, and after that you can be saved. Go to the file option or MS Office button, then write your file name and click on save option. How can we open an existing document? First we will go to the file tab, then click on open, then you can select your file and go to the click on open your document, then your file will be appear on your screen. Next is printed document. How can we take a printout of your document? Just go to the MS Office button or your file button, then click on print option, then a window will be appear. Then you can select your printer name, then write the number of the copies of your document, then which kind of the orientation you want to be there, that can be portrait or landscape. Then you can select and then click on print option. When you click on the print option, then you can be take out a hard copy of your content. Next is how can we exit from our documentation? Just go to the MS Office button or file option, then click on the exit button and you can exit from your window. Other option is just go to the title bar right side and there is a red icon of the close button. Then you just click on there, then it will be asked that you want to be save your data. If you didn't save your data, then click on save option, then write the file name and then click on save. Then you can be easily exit from your document. Next is component of the MS Word. Here are some kind of the MS Word components are here. First we will discuss about them. Title bar. Title bar is always on the top of your document. Where is the left side you can see the MS Office button and quick access toolbar option. Right side you can see three buttons are there: minimize, maximize, restore or close buttons. Next is quick access toolbar. What is the use of the quick access toolbar? It is located on the extreme left side of the title bar. It holds button for frequently used some commands are here. Next is office button. In office button, when you click on here, then you can see the file options are in the office button. Next is tabs. Tabs are placed below the title bar. They contain various kinds of the command that are used work in the Word. Next is insertion point. Insertion point, it shows your cursor position. Document window. In document window you can just write your data. Ribbon. A ribbon appears when you click on the any kind of the tab. It contains a set of the commands which are organized in the GUF form. Next is rulers. There are two types of the rulers, horizontal or vertical. Both are helps to measure the page layout in the points, inches or centimeters. Next is scroll bar. Scroll bar are also there are two types, horizontal or vertical. The horizontal scroll bar is used to scroll the page left and right side, and vertical scroll bar is used to up and down your page position. Next is status bar. Status bar, it shows the your document status, how many words or characters or letters you are using in your document. Next is group. A group holds same type of the commands in a ribbon. For example, in home ribbon we use the font group contains the various option of the font formattings are here. Next is formatting a document. How can we change a document with the help of the format option? First we will go to the click on home tab, then go to the font group. In the font group you can see here some kind of the multiple options are here, like font style we are using here the Calibri, font size is 14, bold. If you want to be bold, then you can use the shortcut key also, control plus B. Italic is the slanting your content, control plus I. If you want to be underline your document, then just use to control plus U. Superscript, subscript, strike through. If you want to be change the color of your font, then go to the color of font option. Background you can be changed also here. If you just click on the this arrow of the font group, then a font box will be appear there. You can also change the changing in your document. Next is how can we use the bullet and number. If you want to be use the bullet and apply number in your document, it is used for arrange the content in the form of the list. In the bullets option, some kind of the bullets are here. Just go to the home tab and click on the paragraph group. You can use any kind of the bullet and select it. It can be your show your data as a list. In the numbering option, there are by default the 1 2 3 number options are here. When you click on the right just nearest of the drop down menu, then you can see a list or there where multiple numbering options are here, like in a capital A, small letters, Roman numbers also appearing there. Next is alignment. Alignment is shows the place of your text where you can be write your data. There are 4 types of the alignments are here: left alignment, right alignment, center alignment, and justify alignment. In left alignment, we are write our content from the left side. Its shortcut key is Control plus L. Right alignment, it shows your data from right side. Its shortcut key is Control plus R. Center alignment, you can see in this alignment group highlighted is center option. In center option is content will be right in the center, and its shortcut is Control plus E. Justify, in justify alignment, shortcut key is Control plus J. It can be right both side, left and right. By default is used to left side. For the alignment option, we just go to the home tab and go to the alignment group. Next is cut copy paste. How can we use the cut copy paste option? There are 3 methods. First is you go to the just home tab, click on clipboard group, and then you can see here cut copy paste options are also here. Next is just go to the select your data, and after that right click on your data. Then you can see here also cut copy paste option also here. Third option is use shortcut keys. Cut shortcut key is Control plus X, copy Control plus C, and paste Control plus V. Now what is the use of them? Cut, if you want to be don't your document your think that this is not to be used your data, then just select that particular line and cut from your data. Next is copy. If you want to be multiple copy of the same data, then you can use it. Just select your data and Control C, you can use the copy, and where you want to be place your data, just go to that place, place your cursor, and then you can just Control plus V or paste option also. Next, find and replace. The find and replace option, it shows your data which content you are finding or replace your data. Just go to the home tab and editing group. You can see there find and replace option. In the find option, which letter or word you are finding here, just click on the find option. Is shortcut key is Control plus F. If you want to be replace your data, then its shortcut key is Control plus H, and you can just click on the replace option. Then a window will be appear here. Then find what which letter you are replace, means this is an example document, is a line here, and I want to be replace example letter. So replace किससे replace करना है? Test से. I am writing here test. Then First I click on the replace, then it's in a simply one time replace. If I want to be a multiple time replace, then use to replace all. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.